My name is Markus Sontheimer. I'm the CIO and CDO from DB Schenker. We have a fundamental strategy developed to become Primus IT, which is key for our business. And this has multiple dimensions. One of the key roles in our IT strategy is ultimately improve software delivery and ultimately software operations as well. Software delivery, we are spread around the world and we need to focus what we do and where we do it. We need to right source much more of our knowledge because IT knowledge is key for Schenker in the future. And because of that, we build up our solution delivery centers globally, and this is run by Volker Witzel. Volker, I would like you to give us some more insight.
My name is Volker Witzel. I'm responsible for the Technology Solution Center function inside head office. Beyond the people here, I'm also responsible for the delivery hubs in Nanjing, in Delhi. New kid on the block is Warsaw. We are happy with finding with Warsaw that we found a place where we have on the one side really a good reputation as DB Schenker from a company. So our DB Schenker Polish legal entity always wins awards with being an employer of choice in the Polish market. On the other side, we have a lot of universities also producing IT people that we hope we can attract for our business.
Yeah, I think one of the key drivers for another location was the time zone question, right? So our other centers, two of them are in Asia-Pacific time zone. One is in Americas with Denver, and now we needed one urgently in Europe.
Yeah, and especially, for 24/7 support, so for the service desk for second level support, that obviously makes sense. And we needed really this kind of location where we can set that up for the European time zone that was missing. And beyond that, I think it also is, we operate now under one umbrella actually, yeah? So that's different to what we had before. But also we need to work more in a standardized way, and when it comes to processes, tool usage as well. Today we have a lot of, let's say, local optimizations, but for us being successful going forward, we need to act more as a global team actually. Yeah? So professionalization is something that we did locally quite well in the past, but now we need to do that on a global scale, so as we discussed before. And I would like to point out one specific activity where we have a focus on right now, test management. We do that successfully in Nanjing since almost 10 years now, and this was very transactional actually. So we are testing functional deliveries. Going forward, we need to, building on that strength, we also need to tackle other activities as well. So we look into cybersecurity threats, we need to automate much more when it comes to test management. And that's an important topic for both our existing employees, because that opens up new career opportunities for them, but also that needs us to position ourselves in the job market on a different way. So we have a great brand as a logistics provider, but also going forward, we want to be an employer of choice for the IT market as well.
Yeah, and I think sometimes we are understating our own position, right? We are a family of 2,000 IT people worldwide. We are one of the 3 top logistic providers in the world. We have interesting jobs to do, be it in the security space, be it in software development, project management. So a variety of professions, and that's with a good, strong employer. I think we're going to be an employer of choice in Poland for sure.
Yeah, we are set up as an internal delivery partner, so you cannot buy our services, let's say, on the market. Basically, we have 2 different areas where we collaborate with. On the one side, we have the head office functions, so we have the IT management for air, ocean, for land, for logistics. These are our partners when it comes to solution delivery. They have the direct connection to the business, and then we need to develop solutions according to the business requirements. On the other side, we also are placed in the regions to have, on the one side, 24/7 for global functions like infrastructure, for example, service desk activities, second level support. But also we want to make use of our regional part of that. Yeah? So we are in the region to also better understand what the region needs. They are the regional CIOs and their respective countries. They are responsible for getting the demands from the countries, from the regions. And what we are establishing is to have independently where the demand is coming from, that we are more on a standardized way when it comes to developing a solution, because at the end that does not make a difference. So in terms of technology and also a lot of integrations we have between the systems from a global and from a regional perspective.
Warsaw is a key location. When we look on the location itself, we are sharing resources with the logistics company. So we're using HR people, we're using the finance function of the logistics company, so we're not doubling the resources, right? There is some focus which we have to have because it's an IT company, but for sure the focus is as well to share the resources within the family. That's very clear. Other than that, yeah, there is another new child, right? Powerful new locations with new, young, energized people, which now need to be part of the big global orchestra of the IT delivery family. You know, I'm quite proud that we can start that in Poland. I had a lot of long history working with Polish people. I think it's going to be a huge success. I wish the team all the best. I'm supporting them wherever I can. So I'm really looking forward. I will support Poland and the other locations, whatever they need, because we need them to be successful. And that's going to make us a Primus IT in software delivery.